After 9 years of ups and downs, what has FF become? Today, FF stands out as the only ultra-luxury intelligent electric vehicles company listed on the Nasdaq stock market, boasting a global corporate structure with US, China dual home bases. After 9 years of experience, FF has also established a globally integrated operation across R&D, supply chain, production, and sales. Born in California, global DNA is deeply imprinted in our global distributed staff. To date, FF has obtained 660 global patents, establishing itself as a startup company able to secure a high number of patents worldwide. We understand the quality and the safety are not only our commitment to global users, but also the backbone of our company. We are proud to have achieved exceptional performance in crash tests. Please take a moment to view the crash test video. Of the crash test paved the way for the delivering the FF91 product, which would not have been possible without the support from our top global suppliers. We outlined the three-phase growth plan. The phase one goal is to deliver the FF91 Futurist Alliance, the FF91 Futurist, and the FF91 on time with high quality and unbeatable product power, thereby disrupting traditional ultra-luxury brands and aspiring to claim the top place in the global ultra-spire user market. The phase 2 goal is to introduce future models with a growth in smart vehicle sales and create a mobility ecosystem with a rapid increase in eco revenue. FF will aim to establish itself as the leaders of the spire market. FF's phase 3 goal is to sustain the rapid growth of this smart vehicle revenue with achieving growth in eco revenues, which include the internet apps, softwares, and the sharing. FF's eco revenues are expected to constitute an increasingly substantial portion of the overall profit. FF will aim to establish itself a major player in a high-value user market. The uncompromising spirit of FF and the vision of transforming the automotive industry originated from our visionary founder YT. He has led us through all the hardships, complete the transformation from 0 to 1, and now from 1.0 to 2.0. I'm honored to invite YT to announce the FF aiHyper 6x4 architecture 2.0 and FF product 2.0.